Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the disk write error on Steam. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. First is you need to open your Steam application. Then here you have to click on the Steam icon. Then click on settings. Then here you have to click on downloads. Then here you will find this option clear cache. Click on that. Click on confirm. And now we need to open Steam again. So let's just wait for this. Okay, so I'm currently logging in into my Steam account. Then here we have to click on the Steam icon again. Click on settings. Then here we have to click on storage. Click on these three dots. Then select prepare library. Click on close. And then just simply close your Steam app and then launch it again. Then for the next method is locate your Steam icon in the desktop. Make a right click. Select this one. Show more options. Click on properties. Now here in the Steam Properties window, you have the General Shortcut Compatibility and the Digital Signatures tab. Go to the Compatibility tab. Then here you'll find this option, Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply, click on OK. Then locate your Steam app. Make a click on Open File Location. Then copy this path right here. Then type firewall in the Windows search bar. Windows Defender Firewall, click on that. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings. Now let's look for Steam if it is already added right here. So as you can see, it is already added in my case. But in your case, if it is not yet added, click on Allow another app. Click on Browse. And here you need to follow or paste the path that I have or we have copied earlier. And then click on this arrow. Then we need to scroll down. And here we can find Steam. Click on that. Click on Open. Click on Add. So in my case, it is already added. But in your case, you just have to follow this same method. Then here you need to make sure that Steam is checked for both the private and the public. And click on OK. And then simply close this window. And then you have to launch the Steam app again. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.